Being a project engineer at Koch Modular is great because you're cross-functionally trained between project engineering, process engineering, and even mechanical engineering or electrical engineering.
We are very efficient and we do stuff ahead of schedule, and we deliver the highest quality products.
We provide oversight in terms of third-party inspectors to perform walkdowns, visual weld inspection, piping inspection. We have inspectors that perform structural steel inspections. So there's not a piece of equipment, piece of steel, or a piece of piping that goes out the door that we haven't looked at some point down the line.
As a project manager, you've got to manage different vendors simultaneously, and keeping them moving as fast as we're moving is key so that we can meet our schedule.
The people skills to be able to work with different individuals is critical to the success of the project.
If something doesn't go right, we immediately put a team together to find a solution and to make whatever changes we have to make.
Throughout the whole process, within each phase of this project, what we do is we have factory acceptance tests that we would go out to modular assembly shops, whether it be panel shops, and we would invite the client out as well.
We've had these customers inside of the modular assembly shop. Very exciting time for them and for us also.
It's rooted in communication, it's rooted in trust, it's rooted in transparency.
We're implementing the customer, we're being transparent throughout the way of how we're designing it and incorporating their comments even to make it better.